In this video, we're going to solve this absolute value equation. Now, when solving absolute value equations, just remember that you have to isolate your absolute value. Before you can do anything else, you got to get that absolute value alone. That means we're going to try to move this negative 3 by adding it over to the other side. That creates this absolute value of x plus 16, in this scenario, is now equal to 18. Now, the key idea here is that since you have this absolute value, we have to remember that the absolute value of negative 18 is equal to a positive 18. And the absolute value of a positive 18 is also equal to a positive 18. And so what's happening is that nothing changes on the inside as far as the signs and everything like that, but we want this inside stuff, whatever it is, to either equal 18 or we want that inside stuff to equal negative 18. So it kind of turns into two separate equations. And so you have x plus 16 is equal to 18, and x plus 16 is equal to negative 18. And now you just solve both of these equations. So you subtract 16 here, and you end up with x equals 2 as one of your solutions. So x equals 2. You also subtract 16 here on both sides, and so you end up with x equals a negative 34. Right? And so those are your two solutions, 2 and negative 34. These aren't opposites. What a lot of students do is they'll solve for one of them and then just assume that the other one's supposed to be a negative 2 also, right? But they're not opposites. One's 2, one's negative 34 because you set the insides equal to the 18s and the negative 18.